Me losing my hair was a big thing for me, and I felt like I had lost all kind of identity with myself. I was recommended to come to Cochrane and Co, and I spoke to Paul, who's part of the team there. Paul spoke me through every single thing they offered. I felt trust immediately. I knew he knew what he was talking about. From the first minute you enter into Cochrane & Co, you can see that the whole ethos behind their business is to make you feel comfortable. My job means that I'm involved in quite a lot of board meetings, quite a lot of presentations. Before getting a system, I always was uncomfortable thinking that people were not having confidence in me, and I needed something that was going to give me that instant confidence back. Paul was an authentic fitter of the systems, and he really believed in it, and I knew that the years of experience he had as a hairdresser and the professionalism from that company of Cochrane & Co would be the ideal choice for me. I've walked out today feeling that I have a full head of hair. It's making me feel more confident. This is why Cochrane & Co were the people I chose to go to. As they say, they keep it real.